Good afternoon. Today is Monday, January 8th, 2018. I'm Michael Koss. The sea floor is warping.
The news is next.
Attention seniors who submitted their FAFSAs prior to December 1st, 2017. Dutch Bros cards have arrived. Please come talk to Mr. A in the College and Career Center to make sure you get your card. If you still haven't completed your FAFSA, now's the time. We will be hosting our Spring FAFSA night on February 1st, but please come get help in the College Career Center sooner rather than later.
Juniors and seniors, if you would like to take or retake the ASVAB, it will be on February 8th in the Little Theater. That's a B day. Please come and sign up in the College and Career Center with Mrs. Johnson or Mr. A no later than February 2nd.
The semester is almost over, and if you have missed 6 or more days, you are in jeopardy of not receiving credit for your classes. Please check the time for time poster posted on the door in the southeast corner of the cafeteria to see if this announcement applies to you.
SCCLA will have a district meeting on Tuesday here at Nampa High School in room 110. Also, there will be a mandatory BPA meeting on Tuesday in room 269. The topic will be preparing for regional competition.
All cross-country distance runners who are interested in running distance events this spring, please meet in Coach Wilkins' room today, January 8th at 3 p.m. We'll be right back after this.
Students, the end of the first semester is around the corner, and the final start on January 16th and end on January 19th. On Tuesday, January 16th, we have a 1A final and a 2A final. On Wednesday, we have 1B final and 2B final. The next day, we have a 3A and a 4A final. On Friday, January 19th, we have 3 and 4B finals. Keep in mind that the study hours right before the final periods are only 30 minutes long, and the last two study periods are 55 minutes long, both. Except Wednesday, when they will be 25 minutes each.
Today's weather is brought to you by Dr. Kim Keller. Your smile is your first impression. Make it a great one and see Dr. Keller today. Today is a high of 40 with a low of 35. Tomorrow's high is 41 with a low of 30. It's going to be rainy. Back to you, Murphy.
SpaceX launched the super secret Zuma spacecraft for the U.S. government last night, successfully executing a mission that also featured yet another landing by the first stage of the company's Falcon 9 rocket. Falcon 9 lifted off at 8 o'clock Eastern, 0100 GMT on January 9th from Cape Canaveral Air Force Station on Florida's Space Coast. The booster's two stages separated 2 minutes and 19 seconds in the flight. The second stage continued carrying the mysterious Zuma into its destination in low Earth orbit, while the first stage began maneuvering its way back to Earth for a touchdown at Landing Zone 1, a SpaceX facility at Cape Canaveral.
Melting glaciers have long been linked to rising sea levels, but the melting ice has also added so much water into the world's ocean that the seabed now sinks underneath the increasing weight. The enormous mass being added into the ocean also causes the seafloor to warp and deform, and this can disguise the actual rise of sea levels in some parts of our planet, and even cover up the actual extent of the sea level rise. In a new study published in Geophysical Research Levels, scientists used a mathematical equation called the elastic sea level equation to get a more accurate measurement of the ocean floor. Their calculations allowed the researchers to see the extent to which the bottom of the ocean floor has changed over the past 2 decades. The study is the first to take into account how the additional water from melting ice have stretched the bottom of the ocean.
The SAT word of the day is adulation, which means excessive praise or flattery. You can use it this way. The player was enjoying the crowd's adulation so much that he forgot to line up for the snap. Thanks for watching, and remember, if the news breaks, we'll fix it.